How to set dark icons on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey everybody, in order to do so you may follow the step. So for that you may head over the settings first, and one of the easiest way is turning on the dark mode. So in order to do that you may scroll down and look for the option called display, and after going to display you may turn on the dark mode. And once you turn on the dark mode, when you head back to your screen, you should be finding some changes, including the change that your app's icon has been changed into a darker mode. Apart from that, what you can do is, if you want dark mode on each icons, you may head back and go to the option called themes from your settings. And after you open up Galaxy themes from your device, wait for the page to load up first. You should be finding this interface. Now in the bottom you should be finding themes, wallpapers, icons, ads, AOD option. So select the option called icons since we are looking for that. And then after tapping on icons, you may select off the dark theme. So you may head over the top. For example, we have these free items. So let's head over to this dark theme. So once you head over to this dark theme, if you want to purchase, you can see you will be finding this kind of interface once you go ahead and download. So you'll be having this kind of dark theme, dark icons on your device. So if you're okay with it, all you gotta do is simply tap on this download button and then wait for the download to be completed. Once the download is completed, you may apply the changes. And once you apply the change like this, wait for the changes to be applied completely. And once it is applied, you'll be finding that your default applications has been changed into dark icons. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.